If you've been wondering how to add another debit card to your Cash app, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to replace your current debit card with a new one, and share a few important tips so you don't run into problems along the way. Stick with me until the end to make sure your new card is added successfully. First, here's the key thing to know. Cash app only allows one debit card to be linked at a time. So instead of adding another debit card, what you're really doing is replacing the one that's already connected. Start by opening your Cash app and tapping on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to linked banks or linked accounts. This is where all your payment methods are stored. Find your current debit card and tap on it. You'll see the option to remove or replace it. Choose Remove Card to unlink it from your account. Once the old card is removed, you'll be prompted to add a new one. Enter the new card details. That includes the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing ZID IP code. Make sure you double-check the info before hitting Add Card. Cash app supports debit cards from Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Some prepaid or business cards might not work, so if you run into an error, try using a personal checking debit card instead. One more tip, you can still have one credit card and one bank account linked at the same time. So even if you swap debit cards, your other payment methods stay safe and ready to use. And that's it. Your new debit card is now linked to your Cash app. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. I've also included extra tips in the description in case you run into any issues while adding your card. So check that out before you go.